Have you ever worked retail, hating every hour, and wishing you could just work from home? Even if it wasn't the fanciest job in the world? Well, let me tell you a story about David and how he went from exhausted retail shifts to earning $17 an hour, all from his kitchen table. David used to work retail, standing on his feet all day, helping customers, dealing with complaints, and barely making enough to pay his bills. Every day felt like the same grind. By the time he got home, he was too tired for anything else. His family, his hobbies, everything took a back seat. Then one night, scrolling through job postings online, David found something different: a remote job as an inside sales representative. No fancy degree needed, just solid communication skills and the ability to talk confidently on the phone. The pay caught his eye right away: $17 an hour, plus bonuses, and he could work completely from home. No more commuting, no more standing on his feet for hours, just a stable, full-time job, helping customers over the phone. So David dug deeper into the details. Here's what the job involves. You'd be working in inside sales, which means you'd be calling people who've already shown interest in the company's services. These are warm leads, not cold calling random strangers. Your job is to help these customers understand their options, answer questions, and help them sign up for the service. You'd be talking to customers across the United States, and while it's sales, it's also about helping people and making sure they're getting the right fit for their needs. Now, let's talk schedule. This role is full-time, with shifts anywhere between 8 a.m. and 11 p.m. Eastern Time, including weekends, so you'll need some flexibility. But the great part is you're working from home and avoiding all the stress of commuting. David also liked the benefits: paid training, medical, dental, and vision coverage, paid time off, and potential bonuses based on how many customers you help sign up. So, if you're good at talking to people and you're driven to meet goals, you could definitely earn more than just $17 an hour. Here's what they're looking for in a candidate: at least a high school diploma or GED, some sales experience, or even customer service experience. Comfortable working on the phone, able to multitask between screens and calls, and a quiet home office space. That's pretty much it. So if you're someone who likes chatting with people, and you're tired of retail or restaurant work, this could be your chance to earn steady pay and finally work from home. David took the plunge, applied for the job, and landed an interview within days. A few weeks later, he was working from his kitchen table, helping customers, and finally having the freedom to spend more time with his family. If this sounds like something you'd love, I've dropped the direct link to the job right below this video. Go check it out and see if they're still hiring. And let me know in the comments what kind of remote job you're searching for right now. Don't forget to subscribe, because I've been away for a bit, but now I'm back and excited to share fresh remote job leads with you every single week. Good luck with your job search, and I'll see you in the next video.